In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page in WPS Office. Let's get started by opening WPS Office and loading the document you want to work on. Once your file is open, take a second to scroll to the area where you want the new page to appear. This matters because the new page will be inserted exactly relative to where your cursor is placed. Click or tap inside your document to set the cursor at the right spot, either at the end of a section or before content you want to push onto the next page. Now head to the toolbar or the main menu and find the Insert option. Depending on your device and layout, you might see it as a tab along the top or inside a menu button. If you don't see Insert at first glance, look for an option to expand the ribbon or switch to the Insert tab. Once you're in Insert, you'll see choices like Blank Page and Page Break. Here's how to decide between them. Choose Blank Page when you want to drop in a completely empty page right after your cursor, perfect for starting a fresh chapter, adding a cover page, or inserting a space for images or tables. Choose Page Break when you simply want the text after your cursor to begin on the next page, keeping your document's flow intact without adding unnecessary empty paragraphs. Both options achieve a new page, but Blank Page inserts an entire page immediately, while Page Break moves content cleanly to the top of the next one. After you make your choice, WPS Office will add the new page automatically. You'll see your cursor positioned at the top of that page, ready for input. Begin typing your content, paste text you've copied, or insert elements like images or headings. If something doesn't look right, use undo to quickly go back, then adjust your cursor placement and try again. When you're happy with the result, save your work so the change is kept. Tap the save icon or use your device's save command. If autosave is enabled, it's still a good habit to save manually after structural changes like adding pages, especially before closing the document or sharing it. That's all there is to it. Open your document, position the cursor carefully, use Insert to select Blank Page or Page Break, watch the new page appear, add your content, and save. With this workflow, you can organize sections, create space for new ideas, and keep your document clean and professional in just a few clicks or taps.